Good morning, you guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to my car again, where we're about to start a day. We're about to start a shift. Currently it's 7:31, and I'm ready to start a shift, you guys. I'm at Walmart. Let me show ya. Walmart. I just got here, waiting for my first order. Oh, it's coming in. Let me check. I got the order, but it was about the order. Excuse my hair, you guys. My hair is not done. It's looking bad. That's why I have this on for a day. I'm planning to do my hair this week, but I don't know which day. It might be weekends. It might be in the middle. I don't know. But that is something that I'm working on right now. Yeah, so how is you guys doing over there? Yeah, good? We just received our first order of the day, $25, 3 mayo, 3 drops. So, and you guys, so I don't tend to say the cent because I don't be remembering. That's why I don't be saying like cents, like $25 with some cent. I don't do that. So I only say the dollars. And plus the mayo too. I don't say 3 mayo and you know, I don't point something. I don't say. I just go straight to the point. I know you get it. Okay. Yeah. So right now it's 7:35, and we're gonna pick it up 7:50. So I still have time. I'm about to go put some gas in, and yeah. You guys, we just received another order. I came to work, but I'm not feeling good. Here, it's hurting me so much. Anyway, we just received our second order, two mayo, $11, and it's a shopping order. And we're only going to shop for 6 items. So we're gonna go in, shop it quick, and get out so we can get another order as soon as possible. Anyway, I was taking a nap because there was not order. It's slow today, so that's why I look like this. I took a good nap. Just received another order, y'all. $13, 2 mayo, shopping for 2 stuff. Only 2 stuff. I am walking to our Walmart right now. And yeah. You guys, it looks like today they have a lot of shopping orders. I just received another shopping order, $15, 3 mayo. I'm going to shop for 9 stuff. So let's go. Hey y'all, hey, sorry y'all, I left you guys hanging. It's been hours and hours, y'all, without talking to you guys. I don't know what I was doing, or was I maybe in a mood of vlogging or whatever. This is all the orders that I got. All this one here, all this. And it's 6:27 right now. I'm about to go home. But before I go home, I need to go at Walmart and buy some groceries for myself. Yeah, today in the morning, yeah, it's been slow. When I say in the morning was slow, maybe that's why I wasn't in a mood of even vlogging because there was nothing to vlog. But in the afternoon, is the orders came back to back, and I managed to make 173. Yeah, I made a 173 for the day, and I'm so thankful and I'm so happy because there is other places that you can't even make that money. But for me over here, this area, I'm grateful. If I make over 150, I'm grateful. If I make 200, I'm grateful. You know, it's slow, but I still got 173. Hey, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. I am so thankful. So yeah, you guys, if you like this and sorry about my voice, y'all. I know you hear this. I have too much going on right here, so bear with me, you. And thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next videos. Bye.